In this video, we're going to cover the permanent document section inside your Atom software. Perm Docs is found inside a client file. If you look at this menu over here, it's this option right here. And the permanent documents is used to store any documents for this client that don't really pertain to any type of like account or like tax year. It's more meant for documents like any form of ID, like a driver's license, or just like anything like that that doesn't really pertain to a particular year or business type inside of Atom software. So to upload a document to this section, you're going to click on this add button right up here. It's going to pull up a new menu where you can choose the upload type. So you're going to upload an ID for the spouse. The access level is just the client's access to it on the client portal. No access means they can't view it. Full access means they can. Done is just going to make it so it is done when it's uploaded. I'm actually going to uncheck that. Expiration date is the date that the ID expires. So we'll just put this out. We'll say August 20th of 26. And then we could add notes here if we wanted. There's a predefined note option here. So if you had those created, you could add those. And then we have browse. This is where you're going to actually grab the file. So I click on browse, and then it's going to pull up my computer's document storage. I'm just going to grab a document. We'll say that this is the driver's license of the spouse. I'm going to grab that. You could also drag and drop files right there into this box right here. And then you can give it a year if you want to. You can fill that out. But if not, just click Save Close, and it's going to upload your document. I do want to go back and touch on the client access for limited. So limited actually doesn't have any functionality inside of permanent documents. It's only with account docs, since the account documents page is attached to a particular year and business type. That's why that is used there. Since permanent documents isn't attached to any year or business type, it has nothing to actually link this balance to. So that's why the limited will not work for the permanent documents page. So on the permanent documents page, you can see this information for the documents that have been uploaded here. You have your actions column. That is where you can select different documents to work with our actions button. You can also click on the edit pencil, which is going to reopen this menu where you can make changes to this information. Delete will, of course, delete the document that's in there. Done. If you check this and then click update, it's going to mark the document as done. And for like any document that's not marked as done, it's going to have that yellow highlight right there for the done checkbox and also the client name. Upload type just shows what kind of upload it is, like what it's categorized as. The file displays the file name. Year, if we had any years in here, that would display what year that we've entered for the particular document. The description is the description that we've entered for the document. Expiration date is the expiration date that we've entered for the document. So for your driver's license, you can add what day that those expire. File access just shows the access level that the client has. And then tracking shows who created the file and then what day that it was uploaded. I'm going to talk about the actions button now. So the actions button contains different actions that are specific to this particular section. So you have delete records, so you can select multiple documents here and then click delete records. You can also select your documents and then download them in a zip folder. You can move them to a particular year or to a link client file. So you click on that. You can select a different account year to move them to, select what upload type that'd be, or also move it to a linked client file. And then lastly, you have the override fields. So again, you select your documents and you can click override fields to override what the access level is or override what the upload type is. For our actions button, I do also want to add that if you've signed up for faxing, you will see that as an option here. Again, you select your documents and then you click on fax. It's going to allow you to enter a fax number, or you can search for a client with this filter here. You can type up a description, add a cover page, and then send your fax. And also for any document that you have faxed, you have this fax record right here. So you can click on this icon and it will then show that record of it being sent. Lastly, I want to talk about this type checkbox in the top left corner. So you click on this, it's going to organize your uploads based off the upload type. So if we want to see all of our uploads for the ID spouse, we can click on this I to view those. Same thing for our POA. So it just groups them together in case if you had a lot of uploaded documents here, it might make it a little easier to search through them. So that is it for our permanent documents section. Definitely reach out to Adam Support if you have any questions. We would be happy to help you.